The secret to making the perfect protein shake. Are you tired of making protein shakes that taste chalky or bland? Do you want to know the secret to making the perfect protein shake? Look no further. We have got you covered with our expert tips and tricks. First and foremost, make sure you're using a high-quality protein powder. This can make all the difference in the taste and texture of your shake. Look for powders with minimal additives and a high protein content. Next, consider the liquid you're using. Water is fine, but almond milk or coconut milk can add some extra creaminess and flavor. If you're feeling adventurous, try using brewed coffee or green tea instead. Don't forget about the extras. Adding a handful of spinach or kale can boost the nutritional content of your shake, while a spoonful of nut butter or cocoa powder can give it an indulgent flavor. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredient combinations. Some of our favorite combinations include vanilla protein powder with almond milk and frozen berries, or chocolate protein powder with peanut butter and banana. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to making the perfect protein shake every time. Happy blending!